Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep Renegade headlight. Park on level ground and disconnect the battery. Gather a replacement bulb, gloves, and a socket set. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly at the front corner. Use a bright work light to identify clips, screws, and the bulb housing. Keep small parts in a tray so nothing gets lost while you remove the old bulb and install the new one. Start by opening the hood and locating the headlight housing on the front corner. Remove plastic covers, screws, or clips that block access to the bulb socket. Use proper tools and gentle pressure to release tabs without breaking them. You may need to turn a retaining ring or unclip a wiring connector to free the bulb. Keep track of screws and clips in a tray and work methodically for an easy reassembly. Disconnect the wiring connector and carefully remove the old bulb from its socket. Wear gloves and avoid touching the glass on the new bulb to prevent oil contamination that shortens bulb life. Insert the new bulb, secure any retaining rings or clips, and reconnect the wiring harness. Before reassembling covers, test the headlight to confirm proper alignment and operation. Reinstall any plastic covers, screws, and
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.